Hi there and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car. As always, we're going to be showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to talk to you about major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on this stunning 430D Msport Coupe that's presented in the Snapper Ox Blue. Alongside that very stunning exterior colour, we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that is these 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it's a 2017 17 plate. It does also have a full facelift on the car. So there you can see the LED facelifted headlights. Moving down the side of the car, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, along with our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course the Performance decals. And there you can see another addition we've made to the vehicle in the shape and form of the M4 style mirror caps, finished in gloss black. A very nice contrasting interior colour for the car. We've got the Oyster Dakota leather with both the electric movement, memory, and of course heated function for passengers and drivers. Interior trim wise, you get the aluminum hexagon with Estro blue accents. Of course, we've also got a very nice 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in the car, and we'll shortly take a close-up look at that in a bit more detail. Rear seats, you find a nice fixed rear bench with a central folding armrest and the storage tray, alongside the darkened M Sport headlining, which works again very nicely with this interior colour. Swiftly moving around towards the rear of the car, again showing you those brand new alloy wheels. Another nice touch for the facelift was of course the sharpened LED rear lights. We've also added a high gloss rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler. Not only has it got that superb 3-litre diesel engine, we've also got the Xdrive 4-wheel drive system equipped to this car. And however, having that sophisticated 4-wheel drive system does not mean you lose out on any of your passenger compartment or luggage compartment either. So very large boot space, along with everything again all nice and clean and tidy in there. And also split folding seats to again further enhance that room should it be required. Round at the other side of the car, I can show you that this vehicle is in fantastic condition once again, and the Snapper Ox Blue really does work very nicely with all of those additions we've made here at your next car. Moving on now, I'm going to go ahead and of course take a seat inside the car and just run yourselves through a little bit more of the detail of the interior. Starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen. First of all, with the navigation function itself. As you can see there, a very nice having the wider screen itself, along with real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. In terms of multimedia, we've got DAB, music collection, USB and Bluetooth audio inputs. And of course you also get Bluetooth telephone. And if we go back to the very home menu, this vehicle also comes equipped with BMW's Connected Drive Plus, giving us access to the online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google, and also utilising the car's own onboard 4G network. In a second, I'll take you through the vehicle status menu, where you can view all of the service history for the car. Down here you'll see the dual climate control alongside our switches for these lovely heated Oyster leather Dakota seats. The car itself's covered just over 64,000 miles. Has cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, again all on our M Sport steering wheel. And now going over to all of that service history, you will see there that it's not due a service for 10,000 miles, and again it does come with full BMW service history, which again is a real nice peace of mind. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. For further information, remember guys that in the description you'll find a link to our website alongside contact details for us directly here at your next car. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, but most of all though, we do hope to see yourselves very, very soon here at your next car. Thank you. Goodbye.